I invested actually in
Mm.
a platform that were selling Bitcoin during 2016, 2017, and 2018, even up to 2020. So there were two platforms that we were doing for many years then. The other one 6 years, the other one was 4 years. And then after 2020, before pandemic, it closed.
Oh.
So imagine the investment that we went through. So sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. So
Mm.
there, I invested in cryptocurrency and primarily the Bitcoin and then the Ethereum. I
Mm.
remember Ethereum that time was 30,000 and it is now 180 to 190,000 nowadays. That's the Ethereum, the um, second popular among cryptocurrencies.